had a vision as a company. You know, it was early back. I remember giving a talk at the Washington Aggregates Association, talking about how within 10 years, every, you know, point that we can see here would be modeled accurately in 3D every second of every day. And I think we're on the track to that. And you know, clearly we've been working on the image side of it and getting pictures with low-cost cameras, whether that's, you know, phones, drones, installed cameras, wearable cameras on the hat. It's coming. And it feels like once we have that data layer where everything is digital, we know where everybody is in the plant, we know where all the equipment is, we know all the inventory levels, we know the moisture levels and the water levels flying out of here, and all of this is ones and zeros in digital, then it seems like we finally have the data to then start to run those algorithms to establish trust, right? Because right now it feels like we have a lot of point technologies, but we can't just trust them, right? We just can't go fishing and just be relaxed knowing that everything's going to work, because we have lots of technologies, but it seems like the people still need to do a lot of punching of those technologies, a lot of moving things from here to there, flipping things on and off, and lots of things still break. So it seems like we still have a little ways to go. But I would imagine within another 10 years, your vision would be very doable.
I say it's very close to being to that reality. And it's, in some areas you'll see that some of them are embracing it. But you're right, the more information they have and they're able to manipulate it, absorb it, trust it, it's just a matter of time. And I see that happening very soon.